Let's talk about the flute. The flute is a member of the woodwind section in the modern orchestra. It has a total range of C4, or middle C, to D7, which is the D about 3 octaves higher. This range is traditionally broken down into 3 distinct registers. The low register spans the lowest octave, from middle C to C5, and has a total dynamic range of around pianissimo to mezzo forte, or super soft to somewhat loud. This register has an intimate and rich tone color, perfect for soft solos and intimate melodies. The middle register spans approximately the next octave, from C-sharp 5 to C6, which is also known as high C. It has a general dynamic range of piano to forte, or soft to loud. Now, this register is much more lyrical and bright, making it perfect for both melodic and accompanimental material. The final register spans the remainder of the instrument's range, and has a general dynamic range of forte to fortissimo, or loud to really loud. This register is incredibly bright, piercing, and just overall exhausting for everyone involved. Physically exhausting for the musicians who have to perform this high, and mentally exhausting for any audience that has to listen to the instrument in this range for any lengthy amount of time. This is a non-preferred register for the instrument, which doesn't mean you can't use it, just that you shouldn't expect a particularly emotional or expressive performance in this range. Now, naturally, none of these registers have a hard starting or stopping point. They all tend to just blend into each other on a spectrum, and the deeper you move into any of the 3, the more pronounced its personality will become. The flute is one of the most agile members of the woodwind family, and can be used to perform just about any of the common roles for the section. It can perform melodic material anywhere in its lower or middle register. You can use it to add a breathier and somewhat brighter quality to your sound when doubling other instruments, or you can embellish other lines in your orchestration. You can also use it to add energy by emphasizing moments in your music with trills or runs, or you can even add additional texture with arpeggios and or ostinati. All in all, it is a beautiful instrument with tremendous potential, so try using it in your next arrangement. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, keep studying, keep working hard, and keep writing new music.